Doug Kalunian here with Mastering Your Wellbeing. Today is day number 30 of my AntreNation 90-Day Awesome Life Challenge. In my last video, I talked about making money in order to create a dream life. There are a variety of different ways that people make money without being employed in a 9-to-5 job. And many of these opportunities can be performed at home, although some of them don't have to be. Whatever you're skilled at doing, or have an interest in learning, it's likely that you'll be able to find a source of income that'll fit you, your interests, and your skills. Many of us have created in our minds our dream lives, but creating a plan and acting on it is another story for most. We're so busy in our day-to-day lives, and with all of the pressures we have on us, it's often difficult, if not scary, to take the plunge and act on our dreams. In my last video, I mentioned that I would be sharing some ways to make money that people have explored. As you know, these videos are for educational and entertainment purposes, and none of the strategies I might present I'm recommending, since I am not a financial advisor and I'm not familiar with your personal situation. But I thought I would share what I've learned. Given time constraints, I thought I'd list the 15 to 16 ways I've found that people have used to put away extra cash or to actually make a living. So here goes. Number 1, sharing your opinions through surveys, answering questions, or testing products and getting paid for your input. Number 2, buying items or services through companies that give you rebates, loyalty rewards, or money for referring your friends or family to the program. Number 3, selling items you own, either through local or national online programs such as Letgo, Declutter, and eBay. Number 4, selling new items you don't own through dropshipping by designing an e-commerce website and listing products for sale. Once a customer makes an order, you purchase the item from a third party, and the item is shipped directly through a clearinghouse to your customer. Number 5, making items to sell. If you have a special creative skill, you can either set up your own online store or, depending on your product, sell through companies that specialize in creating copies of your product, then ships them out for you. Number 6, selling your photos. Stock photography has become a huge business, but expert photographers have also set up their own websites to sell their photos online, as well as through other avenues. Number 7, selling your videos. Much like selling your photography, there are sites specifically for selling videos, and particularly travel videos. Number 8, creating, selling online courses and guides. As an expert in your niche, you can develop your own video courses and sell them online. Number 9, create a podcast with commercial sponsorship or as a place to advertise your products or services. Monetizing podcasts have become a profitable source of income for some businesses. Number 10, create a blog. Much like podcasts, your blog can also be a source of income. Other sources of income include number 11, creating a website or app. Number 12, creating an ebook or other digital product. Number 13, become an internet researcher for pay. Number 14, offer freelance services through a marketplace platform such as Fiverr, Upwork, formerly Odesk and Elance, or Contentfly. Some ideas of services that you could provide through them include copywriting, tutoring services, and even teaching a foreign language. Number 15, investing, and number 16, last but certainly not least, affiliate marketing. Over the next few videos, I'll go over some of these opportunities in a bit more depth, but for now, that's the end of today's video. As always, I encourage you to share your thoughts, share your stories, and please let me know what you think of today's video in the comments section. If you're watching on YouTube and would like to hear more, please click the subscribe button. I appreciate any comments and support that you'd like to send my way. Thanks for listening, and have a great day.